Thank you for watching Lango News channel.
Ugandans speculate reasons for Uganda-US deportation deal. Ugandan government says it will not accept criminals. Thank you for watching Lango News channel. I am Denish, Ongora. Ugandans have criticized an agreement with United States President Donald Trump's administration to receive deportees from the US, questioning the lack of approval from the East African country's parliament and suggesting the deal is a means to ease political pressure on President Yoweri Museveni after facing sanctions from Washington that have targeted many government officials, including the parliamentary speaker. Museveni will be happy to transact with the US, said Ibrahim Semuju, a lawmaker who is a prominent opposition figure. Ugandan officials have released few details about agreement, although they have stated that they prefer to take deportees of African origin and do not want people with criminal records. However, the country is being pushed as a deportation location for high-profile detainee Kilmer Abrego Garcia, a Maryland man, and El Salvador native charged with human smuggling. Abrego Garcia has become the face of Trump's hardline anti-immigration policies. He has an American wife and children, has lived in U.S. state of Maryland for years, and has been under protected legal status since 2019 when a judge ruled he could not be deported to El Salvador because he could be harmed in his home country. He was detained by immigration officials in Baltimore. The U.S. Department of Homeland Security said in a statement that Abrego Garcia is being processed for removal to Uganda. Abrego Garcia was severely beaten and subjected to psychological torture in the El Salvador prison, his lawyers say. The former leader of opposition in Uganda's parliament, Mathias Mpuuga, said without parliamentary oversight, the whole scheme stinks. He said the agreement with the US left him a little perplexed because Uganda is struggling to look after the refugees fleeing conflict in neighboring countries such as the Democratic Republic of Congo, South Sudan, and Sudan. The agreement, some Ugandans said, makes sense only as a matter of economic expediency for the Ugandan government, but it remains unclear precisely what Ugandan authorities are getting in return for accepting deportees. Analysts speculated that Uganda is seeking better trade deals and wants to be in Trump's good books. Okello Oryem, the deputy minister in charge of international relations, told the Associated Press news agency that such a deal was complete rubbish. He made the comments a day before his permanent secretary confirmed an agreement was in place to accept individuals who are reluctant to or may have concerns about returning to their countries of origin. Negotiators for Uganda are believed to have been reporting directly to Museveni US will now deport Kilma Abrego Garcia to Eswatini because he fears deportation to Uganda. AP says attorneys for Immigration and Customs Enforcement said in a letter that they intend to send Kilma Abrego Garcia to the African nation of Eswatini after he expressed a fear of deportation to Uganda. The letter from ICE to Abrego Garcia's attorney, as reported by Fox News, states that his fear of persecution or torture in Uganda is hard to take seriously, especially given the fact that he has claimed through his attorneys that he fears persecution or torture in at least 22 different countries. Nonetheless, he is notified that his new country of removal is Eswatini. Eswatini's government spokesperson told the Associated Press on Saturday that it had not received communication regarding Abrego Garcia's transfer there. Thank you for watching Loud News Channel. Have a good time.